Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutankenyu kuyapa neno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa kara subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takuigirai nyabudits kwa Newsday yabuda istara chiti President Emerson Mnangagwa vari kufesa resistance within his party colleagues. NeNyaya, the political actors dialogue. Inozikana chinzi Pollard reZimbabwe chinzi big wigs emzano PF asikuwirirana this initiative achitara yachiti this platform iri kungotora mari mureZimbabwe hapana tangible results airi kubuditsa mureZimbabwe. President Emerson Mnangagwa vakacreate the first Pollard after elections akaitwa mugore 2018 vachisika legitimacy kunge his main rival NaChamisa vakadismissa elections aya vachitaura vachiti they were rigged mureZimbabwe. President Emerson Mnangagwa vakabuda vakaronga this Pollard this initiative Pollard together political principles angagana less than 3% of the national vote elections at 2018. Vakabuda vakawapa mota Isuzu D-Max pamwechete allowances mureZimbabwe. So just after a month after his second and again disputed elections, Mnangagwa vaka-invite Zakari a second Pollard round table mureZimbabwe iyo iri kucriticizwa nemazano PF big wigs zvitara vachiti this initiative haina chayati yaunza. Mnangagwa vakabuda vachitaura vachiti Pollard previously yakashanda zvakanaka his administration, that's why he decided to bring it back mureZimbabwe. Vakabuda vachiti I intend to reinstate the framework for political actors dialogue Pollard. It served us remarkably well in the last 5 years, helping us to find each other across the political divide, thus conceiving policies for our nation collectively. To that end, I shall be inviting leaders of all political parties who participated in the just-ended harmonized elections, so together we refashion the framework in order to make it more responsive and better able to serve the times of our nation. Ndozo kabuda shitaurwa na President Emerson Mnangagwa Zimbabwe wakatara iwo vachiti I trust that my invitation will be welcomed by most, if not all, political actors. Party politics must never stand in the way or make us deaf to the call to work together for the collective good of our people and our nation. Zimbabwe is our country together. Na President Emerson Mnangagwa asi right now 9 months mshida mekunje Pollard yaitwa relaunch hapana chati cha itwa chine musoro mureZimbabwe chati chaitwa ne Pollard chinobatika chine musoro mureZimbabwe. In an interview yakaitwa na spokesperson VeZanu President Emerson Mnangagwa na George Charamba vakataura vachiti the president is still committed to the dialogue platform. Vakataura vachiti the president is committed to the dialogue platform. He has, however, merely indicated he was not averse to the political dialogue platform, and as to when and in what form or shape it takes becomes his prerogative. Ndozo kabuda shitauro na George Charamba, the spokesperson for President Emerson Mnangagwa. So according to a source yakataura na Newsday yakataura ishara chiti big wigs emzano PF ari kuona Pollard as a useless platform kubva yakaiswa na Mnangagwa, and they are viewing it as a useless platform inza hapana chayati yaiuda kutaura kwatiri kuita. Wakabuda vachiti most of the presidential candidates in the last election did not garner significant numbers and they hold no influential political capital, so there is no need to waste taxpayers' money on the platform. Zakari zirunzi sizvisinei vaMnangagwa vari kuignore macause ekuabandona this platform vachitaura ivo vachiti his plan ndeyekuti this Pollard irambe iripo zvikanzi he Mnangagwa views the platform is good for political optics and is going ahead with the initiative. He was supposed to meet the other Pollard principals just after the independence celebrations, but the problem is that the governor, Pollard, head of secretariat, Virginia Mabiza, is always outside the country. Most of the presidential candidates were in Morambinda during Independence Day, and they were waiting to be told the date to meet the president. This source Zimbabwe. So one of my presidential candidates contested my elections akaitwa muna August vaRobert Mbaiwa vakabuda chara vachiti kana president very serious about Pollard, he should amend the constitution. Vakabuda vachiti I haven't thought about joining Pollard. I will cross that bridge when I get there. However, I believe that Pollard is not serving any purpose because there are no legal statutes backing it. Zimbabwe. Another Pollard member akabuda achitaura iye achiti Pollard yakabatsira government from a total economic collapse through the Ministry of Finance Zimbabwe. Presidential candidate vaTrust Chikohora ndozo vakabuda vachitaura Zimbabwe vakataura ivo vachiti an economic summit yakarongwa nePollard yakaorganizwa nePollard mugore ra 2020 yakabatsira Zimbabwe's economy iyo yange yakusuffocate. Zimbabwe tisingazivi kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi asi nyaya yanetsa muZanu PF members achitaura ivo vachiti hapana chati chabuda muZanu PF big wigs achiti hapana chati chabuda nePollard iyi. So vari kunzi they were saying the only dialogue inofanira kuitwa inofanira kunge iri between President Emerson Mnangagwa NaChamisa vanhu vaivo the main rival wa President Emerson Mnangagwa, since that's the only dialogue inokwanisa kuendesa nyika kumberi. As zvisinei the president vataura ivo vachiti no, Chamisa should join Pollard kana achida dialogue na President Emerson Mnangagwa, he should join the same channel irungofollowa nemamwe ma-president akasina kunge awanikwa nemamwe ma-presidential candidates akacontesta ma-elections atisingazive kuti munoionawo sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.